Right now, the real estate sentiment score is hovering at plus 0.03, a slight uptick, but momentum is showing a notable decline of minus 0.34 over the past 24 hours. This divergence is unusual, especially given that sentiment typically aligns more closely with momentum in this sector. Our API returns a comprehensive view of sentiment trends, along with 16 semantic clusters that dissect the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine you're developing a tool to assess market readiness for investment. You can leverage this data to identify potential turning points, allowing you to act before others catch on. For more insights and to integrate our sentiment data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.